is Tyler here with A.T.S. Electrolube. Anything from single point to multi-point systems. Our single point systems, like our Electroluber series, are fully self-contained and intrinsically safe for all areas. You can mount these up to 30 feet underwater if you so choose. What happens here is an electrochemical charge creating inert nitrogen gas, which pushes the bellow, which pushes the piston, which pushes the grease, continually keeping positive pressure within your bearings, continually keeping them purged of all contaminants and cool. They come in 4 different sizes: the 60, 125, a 250, and a 475 cc canister. They're good to negative 40 degrees up to 55 degrees Celsius, which makes them perfect for cold temp applications. The Jack series produces upwards of 200 psi. They're a single point application that runs off a cartridge mechanism that comes pre-filled from our facility with customer spec lubricant. These units are good to negative 20 to 55 degrees Celsius. The Ultimate series are a high PSI producing units. They produce upwards of 3,500 psi and can be ran up to a 12-port distribution manifold. They're refillable through the side Zerk fitting and are good for multiple time uses. They could be run off a battery pack and or be remote powered. They come in 4 sizes: the Ultimate 60, Ultimate 125, Ultimate 250, and Ultimate 500. Our Titan series use the same mechanical components as our Ultimate series. The only difference being, of course, they take a standard grease cartridge. Our Titan cartridge luber comes in 2 sizes, a TCL1 and what you see here is a TCL2. The time settings on these units are anywhere from 2 weeks up until 2 years. Along with manufacturing grease-held products, we also manufacture an oiler. Our oiler is good up to 47 ounces and produces upwards of 3,500 psi. When using the oiler, it's imperative that you use above a 50 weight oil. Temperatures range from negative 20 up to 55 degrees Celsius. Along with using batteries to power these units, your AC option is a 120 standard wall outlet, as well as a DC power option that runs to a 12 to 24 VDC customer supplied power source. These units can be remote powered and remote controlled. When receiving your remote control, you will have your black and brown will be your power, and white and blue will be your remote control function. That runs to a dry contact supplied by the customer, and you can run it to your PLC. When the unit goes into a pause and that circuit opens, the unit will freeze in its operation. When that circuit then closes, your unit will pick up where it left off its standard lubrication cycle. When connecting your power cable, just ensure that your 4 prongs meet up with your 4-hole receptacle. So when purchasing your unit with a battery pack, you will have to connect the battery to the circuit board. Upon doing so, the unit will produce 1.25 cc's of grease when your time setting is selected. This unit has built-in LED functions to let you know how the unit is operating. They are all located on the side of the ring of the unit, and they will let you know when you have low battery, your unit is in a pause mode, and or if there is low temperatures. You will also see a run-through of the LED functions, and your motor will then begin to operate, spinning your grease homogenizer as well as the pump. So being able to remote power and remote control these units, there is a vibration function. This function comes with 3 settings, high, medium, and low, and pick up the vibration from the machinery the unit is on. When the unit is vibrating, the unit is working. Once the unit senses the vibration increasing, then the unit will exit its pause mode and turn back on and start lubricating. Being proactive about your lubrication PM programs ensures the reliability of your machinery. It reduces downtime and it saves on labor costs. And with A.T.S. Electrolube,